Welcome back to my channel. Today I've got a quick and complete guide on how to make the most out of your Unionbank Rewards Platinum credit card in 2025. Let's dive right in. Step 1. Start by understanding how the rewards program works. Use your card for eligible purchases like dining, shopping and travel. And don't forget to check the rewards catalog often so you can redeem your points before they expire. Step 2. Use the card for transactions that give you the best value. Categories like dining and travel often higher reward multipliers, so prioritize those whenever possible. Step 3. Set this card as your go-to for daily expenses, groceries, utilities, fuel, and you name it. Automate your bills too. It's a great way to rack up points on recurring payments and avoid missing due dates. Step 4. Take full advantage of the travel benefits, book flight, reserve hotels, and make use of travel insurance. Don't miss out on the airport lounge access if it's included. Plus, check out the exclusive offers for dining, shopping, and entertainment. Step 5. Pay off your full balance before the due date and dodge any interest charges. Track your spending through Union Bank's mobile or online banking tools, and always keep an eye out for ongoing promos and bonus points opportunities. Step 6. Enable transaction alerts to keep tabs on every swipe. Use contactless payments for added security. If your card gets lost or stolen, report it right away to avoid fraud. And that's it. Simple steps to unlock full potential of your Union Bank Rewards Platinum credit card. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more quick and useful tech tips. Thanks for watching.